Kimi K2 just received a massive update, and it's called 0905, which refers to the day in which this model was released. It's also today, September 5, 2025. So with that said, the key features of this update is the enhanced agentic coding intelligence. We're gonna see if that's actually true or not. We also have a better front-end coding experience. That's something I'm curious to see. And lastly, they have increased the context window from 128K to 256K tokens. So now you have plenty more room to give context, so this model would understand you much better. Now, if we actually compare this to the previous version of Kimi K2, we can see that most of the benchmarks today are better. We have 69.2 in the SWE bench verified, and previously it was just 65.8. SWE bench multilingual made a huge jump from 47.3 to 55.9. Multi-SWE bench not so much, but it's cool regardless. Terminal bench as well as SWE dev today is higher than the previous benchmark. Now let's give this a try on Kimi.com. And as soon as you go to the app, you'll be greeted with this Kimi K2 update. Stronger coding, better front end, but same thoughtful and nuanced style. But it looks like the 256K context window is only available for API. But it's okay, let's give it a try. Let's create a snake game using JavaScript with cool graphics. And surprisingly, it actually did a very good job. We have a score, a high score. We also have instructions here on how to play this game, of course. And if we press a key, there we go, the snake is moving. This is actually really looking good. It even added like glowing effect to the foods. And the color of the food changes every single time, or every time I eat something. I can also see that the high score is changing, which makes sense since the current score is higher than the high score. But yeah, let me try to eat myself. Alright, I'm trying to trigger a game over, but it doesn't look like it's working. But while I appreciate the fadeaway effect of the snake's tail, it's quite difficult to identify the end of the snake's tail, so I'm not sure if I'm hitting it or not. Okay, alright, there we go. Game over. So yeah, there's still the tail, but it's difficult to see. Let me try and ask Kimi to remove the fading effect. The one thing I really like about this model is the fact that it doesn't bother answering you like how GPT responds. You know what I mean? Like, of course, here's the updated code of the snake game. Then proceed writing the code, then after that explains what it wrote. Kimi just answers you with the code, which is pretty nice. Okay, so in this update, it didn't remove the fadeaway effect of the tail. It's still here. I can also see that the high score is saved. Yeah, there we go. It's using local storage. Now let's move on to the next test. What is the color of this dress? It's about damn time to get the real answer to this question. It's blue. Hold on, let me actually get an answer. Just tell me the color. Nah, it is white and gold, and I would fight anyone who says otherwise. It is white and gold, right? Seriously though, before we proceed to the next test, I'm curious what is the knowledge cutoff of Kimi K2, because I'd like to try something, but it happened just pretty recently. Okay, it's actually April 2025, so I'm not sure if it'll be able to do a liquid glass effect. But you know what, let me try it regardless. Yup, I knew it. I wouldn't even call this glass morphism. And if I hover it, it looks like it added a spotlight effect. It's not that bad. I can also drag it around, and I can also... Wait, hold on. I noticed that these words are moving. I didn't ask Kimi to do that, but still did it. So those are pretty interesting results. Now, one thing I would say is it's super slow, which is normal, I guess, because everyone is trying it right now. The hype is still there. But yeah, once the hype has gone down, this model or the API should respond much faster. Now, when it comes to the pricing though, Kimi K2 is definitely much cheaper compared to Claude Code or GPT-5. But it appears to be still priced the same as the version 0711, except you have a doubled context window. So that is Kimi K2 0905 update. Would you use this for your next project? Let me know in the comments below. Now obviously, I wouldn't bother trying this locally because it's super heavy. I honestly don't think anyone would bother downloading this model locally, but if you do, you're definitely something. Anyway, if you enjoyed this video, let me know by hitting the like button and subscribe to Weekly How to not miss my next AI related videos. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.